What's up, guys? HaFast Garage here, coming at you from the underside of my truck. I've got my engine rebuild done. I've had my first startup. Check that out right here. And if you couldn't tell, got a bit of an exhaust leak there. I put new donuts in it. I thought maybe it was my new donut. You know, a lot of the replacement parts these days aren't as good a quality as they used to be. Turns out that wasn't it at all. I'll show you what the problem is right here. I'm gonna do my best to capture this. Don't mind the shaky footage, but my exhaust flange here, you can see a big crack. That's what's causing my exhaust to leak. So I can't get this thing out without dropping the tranny cross member. It's Sunday. I don't feel like messing around with it too much, so I'm gonna see if I can clean it up from here and booger it up a little bit and call it good. Stick around, let's see what we come up with. Alright, I just got it welded up. Of course, this is nothing quality. This is not a fun spot to be in. If anyone wants to criticize, feel free to join me underneath this truck right now, because otherwise you can shut up. Is it gonna seal? Did I waste my time? I don't know. Probably. Maybe. Guess we'll find out. So, without further ado, I'm gonna put this back together and try and run the truck. It's ugly, but I hope it works for a little bit at least. Buy me some time. This is all this is meant to do. This is not a permanent repair for all the keyboard warriors out here. So here's my two exhaust donuts. I know they're different from driver's side to passenger side, but this is both meant for the driver's side. So this one here is the factory one. I know this is really poor lighting, but this is more like a round ring. It's really uniform. And this is the piece of garbage that I got as a replacement. So I think we're gonna throw this one back in here with a little bit of secret copper sauce, you know, some high heat silicone, and hope it seals. Wish me luck. Well, and my luck had it. This stud had the brake on me. Not playing games, stick a bolt in there, call it a day. I'll let my silicone dry and come out here in a few hours and try and start it up, see how it sounds. All right, here we are about an hour and a half later. Ready for the first startup since the exhaust leak fix. Let's see how she sounds now. Way better. I can live with that. That's it for today's video, guys. Again, if you like what you see, if you like my content, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. We'll see you next time here on HaFast Garage.